when his music sounds nothing like you expect.
Ah, hey Jihan, nice to see you.
Oh, hey, it's Jawan.
Oh, yeah. Dude, it's summer. It's been 6 months since your last drop. I mean, how about we start off this summer with something happy, like your last song, My Summertime. I mean, listen to this jam. So get in there and make me something happy. Happy, make a lot of money, happy. Whenever you're ready, Juwan.